Hey, it's VJ from Whitby, Ontario, Canada. Uh, I just want to let you know how pissed off I am with A&J Recycling. I used to go in there all the time. It was Art, he's the owner. It was a great guy, great sense of humor. But they've got some asshole who's out front there, some tattooed goof, and this guy is so disrespectful, and I just stopped going in there, and basically any recyclable goods that I got now, I take them over to Whitby Recycling at 280 Hawkland Street. The folks are always pleasant, and they give a fair exchange. But I don't know if Art is listening to you, but that goof you got working out front is exactly that. I don't know where this asshole thinks he could get away with that, but I'm sure I'm not the only one who could go into your establishment, Art, because of this goof. Anyways, avoid A&J in Whitby, and take your recyclable goods to Whitby Recycling.